Alright, I just changed the head gasket, planed the head, replaced the lifters, changed the timing belt, and a few other little things, and now I'm going to try to start it. And yeah, there's a whole lot of things that could go wrong. I don't have the accessory belt on because I broke a fitting on the power steering, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Alright folks, here we are a few weeks later. It is now November 12th. I have 175 kilometers on it, and yeah, everything's been working well. I thought I'd do a startup of it. It's quite cold today. The only light I have on is the seat belt light, which came on because the guy that I bought it from had taken the seats out and run it without the seats, so yeah. Alleyway's a little bit rough, so the car sounds worse than it actually is by a long shot. So since I shot the footage of working on the car, I changed the engine oil, of course, and I also changed the transmission oil twice. I changed it and just put some cheap engine oil in there. I had bulk engine oil, and I put some in there and ran it for a few kilometers, and yeah, drained it out and then put the proper stuff in, and it seems to work. The transmission works a little better, but it's still a little bit stiff. It does have 316,000 kilometers on it, so it's expected. Heated seat, heating up nicely. Definitely not a powerhouse by any means. It gets me around. The reason why I purchased the car is because I wanted something that was easy on fuel and something that I didn't care if I beat up a little bit during the winter months. I normally drive a 6-liter GM 3/4 ton truck, and it is a real pig on fuel, and also the insurance is quite high because it's I have commercial insurance on it. I use it for my business, and so this vehicle just has the very basic insurance on it. Total insurance for the year was $760, and I paid it all in one chunk. So the brakes make a little bit of noise. They probably should be replaced. As you can see, it seems to shift normal and act normal. Not making any really alarming noises, except for the ones coming out of the driver's mouth. In 180 kilometers, I've burnt less than half a tank of fuel, so that's quite good considering I think it's about a 55-liter tank, is what I'm told. Almost back home. The neighbors are getting a delivery of shingles today, and they accidentally delivered them to my house. They started piling shingles on my roof, so they're out delivering them to the neighbor now. So I'm parking my car in the alley so that it's not in their way. But yeah, that has nothing to do with this video. Alright, I think that's about all I have to say. It's been working wonderful. It heats up nice and quickly. It's kind of beat up. Some stuff's wore off. The light doesn't work in this bottom piece here, but anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you guys next time.